Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Zero Ultra and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here somewhere the torch icon. In my case it's here. Just to activate flashlight, click here once on the torch icon and we can see that it's activated successfully. If you wanna turn it off, we should click on the torch icon once again. So if you will just hold for a while the this icon, you should just switch it from back flashlight to the front one. So now we can see that the front flashlight is activated, and also we can switch it to the 360 degrees flashlight. So that means that your front and back flashlights will be activated together. So just as you can see, that's so simple to do. To turn it off, we should click here once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.